we're gonna go over. I think the only thing to go over right now is the the dollar, right? So we're still going up. We're still going up. Let me put you on the weekly. I'll put you up on this one on the weekly. No, this one. Okay, so at about 109, we have this long-term trend line right here. We have 1, 2, 3 touches to the top. We have 2 to the bottom, so that's a 5 touches. That's good, right? And we are right here. And then above that line is the blue line, and that's the 0.786, right? So we're kind of in between the 702 and the 786. And so 109 would be a huge resistance that goes from 2004, right? It's a trend line from 2004. So if it goes to the 786, this is a classic. If it gets rejected there, right? This is a classic retracement and then rejection, right? Why do I have this one? This chart is a little different. So this chart for the dollar, the 786 is right here, is the orange line at 110. But we have this trend line right here. Oh, that's why it looked different. Here it goes. There it is there. So we're close to that trend line. That trend line comes right. We have a lot of trend lines coming up. So let's see, right? And the dollar's getting very overheated on the monthly. Right now, we are at 75 on the monthly on the RSI. Weekly's at 77. Every Lilo, cut out. 74. So we're getting up there on the RSI, right? And we're coming up to all these trend lines. So let me show you the Lilo, cut it out. Here's the euro, right? Here's the 702. We broke right through it, right? That was our double bottom opportunity right there. And now we're coming up to the 786. We're closer to the 786 than the dollar is closer, right? So if that doesn't hold, we have a support line all the way down here at like 90. I want to show you the Japan because I think the Japan is what really been fueling the market, right? So we have this ABC correction off the top. 1, right? 2, we have this. This is a bear flag, a bear pennant, right? And we measured it, and it comes to right. We're almost there. We're not quite exactly there. Just close shorts, right? If you're short the yin, just close them because this could be the bottom right here at 0.007. So it's kind of like Shiba Inu, huh? And then also at the same time, we have 5 waves. So here's on the daily. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the 5th wave could keep going, right? The 5th wave, as long as the 3rd wave is not the smallest wave, which it's already not the smallest. So the 5th wave could go on as far. There's no end to it, right? So if it stops here, this would be good. But I would like to see some kind of capitulation, right? like a big push down, like one hard candle, and then a buyback. But this is currency, so we don't always get that. But this would be an ABC correction coming off the top, and this is what I wanted to show you guys too. Look at, so you see the top of the yin right here. So you measure the top, you come back down, and you see how it retraced before it collapsed. Look at it, it retraced to the 786, and then it gave way. So we're looking for, on the euro, we are looking for a 786. We're looking for a 786 retracement here, right? If we retrace to 786 and then bounce out from there. And that'll be huge for the markets. That's all I'm really watching is the dollar, this parabolic curve happening. I can show you the total crypto market cap on the weekly. We're still far away from the 200-day. We're still so far away. I mean, I want to say we're going to come and touch the 200-day, but at the same time, there's so many people that sold here. Everybody on Twitter wants it to go down. It's saying down, down with Bitcoin. And so, and the fact that Bitcoin has this huge trend. This huge trend line right here, right? And I just think we have to go into retracement like I showed you on the Japanese yen before we get a breakdown. And somewhere right there. No. Right there. Right there. But let's see, right? We're just watching the dollar. Here's the dominance. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is just still hanging out right here, right? We're hanging out right here, just like we hanged out right here, and we're hanging out here before we get a breakdown. So, like, I believe this is a huge A, B, C correction, right? I don't think we'll get that far down, but somewhere right here. I think that's good right there, right? An ABC correction there. Well, it has to come and pass that level. Shit, let's see how big of an alt season we get. If we do get an alt season. And then it's gonna break this, right? Because this kind of pattern breaks up and the dollar. This kind of pattern breaks down. See how it's an upward trend? Breaks down. So, and these are on huge, these are all on the monthly. So, I mean, this takes time to play out, right? On things on the monthly, it takes a long time. It's not like it's on the 4-hour or something. But we're coming close. I wish it would just push up and get it over with. Oh. I think the stock market still looks okay on the monthly. It's still up on the month. Here's the Dow. So we're getting a little drop. But we haven't broke no new, we haven't made a lower low on the stock market, right? If we come down to this line right here, that'd be kind of scary. But yeah, that's it. I'm just watching the dollar. Watching the dollar. Right? Watching the 1 hour. So let's see what happens.